हाय गाइस, सो या वेलकम बैक टू माय। तो बात ये है कि हम इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट करना भूल गए थे, तो अभी वीडियो तो शूट कर लिया है, तो इसलिए अभी इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट कर रहे हैं। सो द थिंग इज दैट इन टुडेज वीडियो विल बी डूइंग अ फन सेगमेंट विच इज़ हु इज़ मोस्ट लाइकली टू, and in that she'll be asking some questions, and whatever the answer comes, like whoever the person is who is most likely to whatever the question is going to get a mark like this which she have got. I have erased it, the mark, and the person who is getting more number of marks will be the loser. So yeah, this was the introduction part. So yeah,
So without wasting further time, let's start the video.
yeah, so let's start.
So
Yeah.
first question,
Is
okay, who is most likely to not shower for a day?
obviously you.
Yeah, that's me. But
Okay, so
let,
let
wait,
me
wait,
know.
wait. Let me explain.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Okay, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि नहाते नहीं है, लेट नहाते, तो वो वाला सीन है, और ये ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहाते नहीं है. Okay.
Yeah, everybody know that. Bath. It's me open up.
छोटा
नाही, तसं काय सांगितलं नव्हतं, but ठीक आहे, fine.
मेकअप.
छोटासा. It's looking good.
So the second question is, who is most likely to get late for her own event? That is she. Like literally ऐसा होता है
I am
कि
always late.
She
And
is-
I'm proud of.
oh listen, there is nothing to be proud of. Okay.
Babu. No.
Come on. I can do wherever I want.
This is
That is
so
looking
ugly.
so funny. Okay, I think we shouldn't close it. Okay.
It's what?
Who is most likely to?
So third question, please.
Okay, so the third question, like
Yes.
not question, what is it called? Okay,
Yeah,
whatever.
whatever.
That is looking so damn funny, yeah?
I'll hide
Okay.
this. You
Okay.
continue with your
So
question.
who is most likely to cancel plans at last moment?
You don't have to tell her name.
If you are watching this, shout out to you. Okay, so who is? I think that's her.
No.
Yeah, that's you. Please admit it. आणि टायमावर तू म्हणतेस की नको माझा मूड नाहीये, नको मला हे करायचं म्हणतेस.
नाही, मी स्टार्टिंगलाच म्हणते माझा mood
नाही 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 आणि टायमावर पण म्हणते की
जबरदस्ती.
नहीं म्हणजे नॉट फॉर लाइक एनी प्लान. अगर डिसाइड किया कि ना डांस वीडियो करना है तो फुल जोश में रहती है मेकअप वगैरह होने के बाद.
It's so boring. चल कंटिन्यू कर.
Okay.
Oh, this is looking good.
No, that's not.
Yeah, it's looking. This
Okay.
is weird. This is weird. Yeah. So the third choice.
It is
Oh,
Chanchana.
this
You're
one.
the designer, so you know.
Yes, bro.
Who is most likely?
It's not good.
I know, please come on. Who is most likely to have weird phobias?
Obviously you. I don't have any phobia.
Oh,
I don't have any phobia.
oh.
Yeah, I have.
Please
one, I have
rewind
one.
करना.
Yeah,
Please rewind करना. पिछला
I
video
phobia,
please.
just one. That is not weird
हाँ,
phobia. So
वही
yeah,
है.
the answer is you, and I'll give you a mark right here. This is
Dude, smaller.
It is small.
Okay,
Nice.
so the
It's
next.
good. We both are twinning. See? Yeah, that's like good. Let me see.
Who is most likely to faint whenever she like meets her crush?
Um,
That's me.
So,
That's me.
yeah.
Kennedy.
Oh, wow. How honest this person is.
Okay, so the next question.
Show them. What? 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Who is most likely to fall in love with his or her best friend? Like, no one. Wait, let me explain. कि अगर अभी लड़के और लड़की भी बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स होते हैं
Yeah,
ना,
obviously I know.
तो
I
like
have
that.
a boy
हाँ.
best friend.
Yeah. So who is most likely to fall in love with her best friend? Who is in bracket?
I guess that is me. that will not happen ever. That will not happen, bro. I was happy, but I was tonight.
Okay. Who is most likely to create a drama for not going to school or college, whatever?
That I used to do, but
I think both of us.
so I'll make you a cross and you will also
Okay.
make a cross. So first,
So like एक मिनट, let me say you this, क्या हम जब स्कूल में होते थे,
first let me do a cross.
वेट नो, तो हम जब स्कूल में होते थे ना, तो मतलब तो ऐसा होता था कि अगर ये एब्सेंट रही तो टीचर सब मुझे पूछते थे किरण क्यों नहीं आई, किरण क्यों नहीं आई, तो मैं बोलती थी पता नहीं. अगले दिन जब ये आती थी और उसको पूछते थे ना, माय गॉड, शी हैड सच अ वियर्ड रीजन, लाइक कि मेरे बालों
नहीं, मैंने फटा हुआ दूध पिया था इसलिए स्टमक पेन हो रहा था. नहीं, मैंने फटा हुआ दूध पिया था इसलिए स्टमक पेन हो रहा था.
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं ये?
फटा हुआ दूध पिया था इसलिए मेरा स्टमक एक हो रहा था यार.
Which one you remember? No, don't say that.
Okay, so there were so many weird things, and same goes with me. मैं भी कुछ भी बोलती थी. That's
So cross mark.
yeah.
You want to do
So both of us are most likely to do dramas
my
while going to
forehead.
school. No,
No, I have to do.
That's so messed up. Okay. Ew.
It's good.
Okay, so the next question is, who is most likely to go for a party only and only for food?
I guess that is you.
That's me.
Yeah.
कि सिर्फ खाने के लिए पार्टी को
जाती है मतलब.
Not all the times, not all the times.
Most of the times.
Yeah, shut up.
Most of the times.
See, I need to explain. I have an image to take care of. Oh God. Do छोटा है.
This is cute. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5.
Okay.
Good. So, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Who is, so the next question is, who is most likely to laugh at weird situations or awkward situations?
It's me.
That's her. मतलब हम दोनों ही हैं, लेकिन अगर मतलब
I can't control my
she can't control, और अगर कंट्रोल कर भी दे और अगर हम दोनों का आई कांटेक्ट हो जाए,
तो तौबा तौबा.
बालवीर के परिणाम.
Bro. I got here 2, 1, 2.
Okay.
Answer that. Give me this.
So the next question is, who is most likely,
Fine. Okay.
who is most likely to be a cool parent?
Oh, no.
I think both of us.
Yes, both of us.
But like we have to give one name. I think me. I'm more cooler than you.
I'll be cool, but I don't want to be parent. No, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, fine. She.
I'll be a
Okay,
cool parent.
I want to be a parent.
I want to be a parent.
I don't want to be a parent.
Don't I कुछ नहीं यार. Okay.
Anyway.
कितनी फालतू इतने. Who's most likely to be rich? Who's most likely to be poor?
Oh.
Okay.
Who's most likely to watch a romantic movie? Obviously, too.
Who is romantic movie? Okay. So who is most likely to never fall in love? No one. I think
I
you.
don't know. Yes, maybe. I don't like boys. So it's cringe.
Bro, ते ना सगळे unfollow करतील बरं boys.
Whatever. That is fine.
Okay, so the question was, who is most likely to never fall in love, and this is Kiran,
Yeah, obviously.
and she's proud of that.
Yeah, I'll get a mark for that. We are making a design.
The next question is, who is most likely to fall asleep in class? she can literally, मुझे ऐसा होता है कि मुझे सोना है ना, तो मुझे आधा एक घंटा लगता है सोने के लिए. She like literally can sleep in 2 or 3 seconds, and that's
Only
so
in
weird.
school, not at home.
Because our school was.
Wow.
Okay, so the next question is, who is most likely to trouble others for no reason?
Obviously you.
Yeah, that's me. It's fun.
No, it's not fun.
Come on, it's fun.
Wait. छोटा सा mark. It's looking good.
It's looking good. It. So the next question is, who is most likely to get emotional and is sensitive? Okay, for others. That is her. क्योंकि हमारे स्कूल में एक टीचर थी मैथ्स की, शिल्पा मैम, तो उनकी जब शादी हो रही थी,
And I was
she cried like
crying.
hell, and I was like, why the hell are you crying? तो उनकी शादी हो रही है और ये रो रही है, पता नहीं क्यों. Like
Anyway.
seriously?
छोटा mark पर. Wow.
And I'm like, why?
Anyway, she was my mom, dude.
But come on, एक ना एक दिन सब.
So next question is,
So who is most likely to spend money on unnecessary things?
obviously that is you. Let me do this.
Not unnecessary.
I always say
Shut
you
up.
this.
Wait.
Bro, काही जणीच तू आणते हं, आम्ही सांगते आम्ही. ठीक आहे.
Let it be.
आता ह्याची काय गरज होती? हातात घालण्यासाठी आणलंय.
तर फॅशन आहे ना ब्रो, स्क्रंची.
नाही, बट तू काही पण आणत राहते आणि ते आन्सर तुझं आहे. Wow, this was nice.
Okay, so the next question is, who is most likely to be in good books with teacher but to bitching, like back bitching?
I guess that is also you.
Shout out to.
We have to mute that name.
Yeah.
So yeah. I have to do this one.
Okay, तो I am one of those जो टीचर्स के गुड बुक में भी रह के उनकी बिचिंग करे. So yeah.
I don't do bitch.
Okay. So next question is, who is most likely to do weird things in public?
And that is you.
No, I don't.
No, we both do, but most of the times you do that.
एक गोष्ट सांग बरं अशी मी पब्लिक
And
मध्ये
what the
weird
question
केलेली.
is that most likely? Then most likely, though, obviously you.
But I don't do weird things in public, dude. I do weird things in apne loop, not in public.
You have done.
Okay, come on, don't cry.
I don't remember any.
Bro, pimple na bro. Okay.
So next question is.
So the next question is, who is most likely to watch reality shows all day long?
And that is you.
Yeah, I like.
I don't like reality shows. I don't like any. I don't like to watch anything.
I thought
I
you were gonna
don't
say that I don't like her.
I just watch cartoons, bus. Or
कार्टून तो ही कार्टून देखेंगे ना. Okay. So the next question is, who
So the
is
last question is.
yeah. So the last question is, who is most likely to get pranked?
And that is also you. But yeah.
Dude, एक मिनट हाँ, ये मैं बात क्लियर करना चाहती हूँ कि ऑन कैमरा इसने एक प्रैंक किया है, ऑफ कैमरा मैं रोज ही इसके साथ एक ना एक प्रैंक करती हूँ, तो आई एम नॉट दैट, दैट्स यू.
Yeah, but
That's you. No.
okay, fine.
I don't agree.
Shit. This is so. No, you can't do that.
Come on, shut up.
Oh God knows.
Okay, so
Okay, so that's it for today's video.
and who is the loser? Wait, see who is the loser.
Wait, I'll count yours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So,
Oh my
she's
god.
loser, and it's okay. You can try your best next
Shut
time.
up. ऐसा
So,
कोई
yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share.
share it with
You
your.
can give us ideas to come back with another video. So yeah, thank you. Bye guys.
Why am I so bad at this?
So yeah, bye.